Your friends are the worst people to ask advice from. I'll repeat that. Your friends are the worst people to ask advice from. Friends, advice. What am I going to do? Who can I talk to? I'll go down to the golf club, I'll talk to my mates. I'll go to the bowling club, I'll talk to my mates. I'll go and have a talk to my mates, my friends. I'll make a statement here. Your friends are the worst people to ask advice from. Your enemies, your smart asses at work who just stir you up, just enemies, your enemies in the place. People who just throw mental verbal stones at you. Their advice is the best advice you could probably get because it's honest, Your friends are your friends and you feel good. Do you know why you look at friends? Because when you talk to them and they talk to you and you have a conversation, you're all patting each other on the back in a sort of a way. They're not going to tell you that you have to leave this town and go somewhere else. Do you know why? Because then they haven't got you to associate with. You're not there a part of their life. And they're advising you to go away. That means they're left empty in that area. So they're not going to say that to you. They're going to say, no, this, no, that. Their people are very selfish and they're thinking of themselves. When they give you advice, they're thinking of themselves. If they give you advice to do something, they're also thinking, how does that affect me and you in a relationship? Your enemies, smart ass that says you're nothing but a fat, lazy slob. Okay, that hurts. And then you've got to go and have a look at yourself. Oh, I'm carrying an extra 10 or 20 kilos. My desk's a bit messy, my life's a bit unorganised. They might be right. So your enemies to throw insults at you can be your best advisor sometimes. Yeah, so it's very hard to get honest advice from anyone. But don't rely on your friend's advice. If they ever say, oh, you'll be right, it's only a mood thing, you'll get over it. And another thing about endurance. If you're enduring a situation and you know you're not happy and you're enduring it for various reasons, one is, I'll say this and it might upset a lot of people, one is religion. Christian religion says the Lord will test you and he works in mysterious ways. And it is your job to endure the difficulties that you have found yourself in. I'm sorry, I can't work with that. That doesn't work, you know. That's why I sort of tend a bit towards Buddhism. Buddhism is, if you're standing up to your knees in the sewage pond, you don't endure it, you walk to the edge of it and climb out of it. That's different to Christianity. And there's various forms of Christianity too, don't get me wrong. Christians do a lot of good work, but some of their things are hard to understand. Okay, so friends may not be your friends. They'll be your friends because they're good to sit around, have a beer with and talk with, and they make you laugh and everybody feels happy. But for advice, your friends are not your best advisors. Your friends are your worst advisors. Your friends are your worst advisors. So beware of that. The wind's really rough here today. I hope it's not chopping too much on the microphone. Okay, see you guys. I'll try and put another video up soon. Catches. Have a good life wherever you are. Wow, 100 points to Amazon. Wow, okay. I've got to go and get my coffee and get on the road again. This is near Cha Chong Sao in Thailand. Okay, see you guys.